I'm Freddy, a werewolf stuck in a poodle body. I want the pack to take me seriously.
Showtime!
We gotta save those people! The pack's never gonna respect me.
Respect doesn't happen overnight. It has to be earned.
I could really use some help. Hello?
Hello? What are you doing?
Summoning the moon spirits?
Freddy?
Hey! Oh, whoa! Look at this fancy tail. You're a baby moon spirit?
Uh-huh.
Say what?
You brought the earth and spirit planes into contact.
And threaten the entire cosmic balance.
My bad.
Son, spirits aren't made for this world. Mupu's inner light will fade out.
What have I done?
It's just another day.
I have a plan. We need to save Mupu.
Did we just get mooned by a moon spirit?
Nice one, Mupu. Let's stop the Great Mist!
Visitors! I hate visitors!
What are that? Some kind of wolf poodle freak show?
I wouldn't say freak show.
Oh boy.
She could destroy a moon spirit.
Are you prepared to lose everything?
Ladies and gentlemen, Armageddon is upon us.
We'll get you home, I promise. Wait, I didn't mean to...
Nice one, big bad wolf.
Ah!